is for, in both second and third grade, we worked on the cup challenge a little while before school got out. And so I wanted to kind of revive this because some of you were just starting to get it. Some of you are doing really good. Some of you hadn't had a chance to totally finish it. So this is an awesome rhythm challenge that you can do at home. And I'll give you the music to both the simpler song and the harder song if you're filling up to the extra super challenge. So you'll definitely, and also just one more great way to drive your parents crazy. So, so here we go. Now, or you can get them doing it with you and everyone will be happy doing something fun and goofy all together. So, best thing to do is, this is like a kid's cup. This is like one of the best kind of cups. Just make sure you have a plastic cup, not one that's going to crack or break, and that you can use, and turn it upside down. Make sure you have a nice stable place. You can do it either on the floor or on, if you have a nice stable table. And again, make sure you check with your parents before you just start banging on things that nobody's having a meeting or anything like that. So here we go. So just reviewing, there's kind of a simple half and then a trickier half. So here we go. The first half goes clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, up, down. So again, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, up, down. Now, if you're having trouble with that or you hadn't quite gotten it yet, a great thing to do is just do that part over and over with the rhythm of the music. And that is still really fun and kind of cool, and will really get it like into your body, so it'll make the second half easier. So clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, up, down. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, up, down. And you can just do that over and over with the music until you got that. If you get like, I totally got that part, here's the trickier part. You're gonna go clap, then you turn your hand, so your thumb is now pointing down at the table. So clap, and then you're gonna grab your cup that way, grab. Then you tap the big part of the cup on your palm, other palm, and bounce the small part of the cup off the table or the ground. So that's clap, grab, tap, tap. Or I kind of think of it as bounce, bounce. Clap, grab, bounce, bounce. And then your cup keeps turning that same direction so that you can grab the small part with your other hand. So you're kind of imagining your cup making a whole full rotation all the way around like that. So clap, grab, bounce, bounce, grab. Then this hand's free, so it taps, and this one gets to put the cup down. So clap, grab, tap, tap, grab, hand, down. One more time. Clap, grab, tap, tap, grab, hand, down. All right, so putting that all together with our simpler part, the first and the second half. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, 1, up, down. Clap, grab, tap, tap, grab, hand, down. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, up, down. Clap, grab, tap, tap, grab, hand, down. Good job. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, up, down. Clap, grab, tap, tap, grab, hand, down. So just watch this slow then fast. Just do it as many times as you want. I'm going to do it with the Zootopia song, so you can try that along with me. And then I'll also put the actual cup song. So if you really feel like I got this, you can try it along with that double timed rhythm. All right, have fun, you guys.